Alrighty, for this week of trading, it'll be my second week on this funded account after the reset, and this is around the time where I blew my last account. So I really just wanted to survive for this week, but also crack down on my bad habits and actually try to stick more to my rules and not just gamble for the whole week. So will I be able to actually follow the game plan, or will I just end up blowing another account? Okay, so to start off the week, I was planning on restricting myself to 3 trades to focus more on just taking quality trades and listening to my rules. And at the start of the day, I was feeling a little bullish if these 21,000s held, but off market, we kind of just broke through that. So I switched more to a bearish stance, looking for price to pull back and reject off the 21,000s again, which we did get here, where price also rejected off the moving average as well. So it met most of my entry guidelines, but I was just in my head and too scared to take a short off this first red candle that I just missed it, because yeah, the next candle just shoved price down. And yeah, we went all the way down to where my target would have been. So damn, that could have been my one and done for the day. With missing that, I tried to keep calm, because there could still be more trade opportunities, especially if we could get back towards the 930s near the 5-minute moving average, which price kind of just pushed back towards. So with that buying strength, I did see an opportunity for a long back up towards the 21,000s off this quick buy up. As long as it's working out pretty fast, so I was feeling pretty confident about this, that I just moved my stop loss to break even. And no, that shit got rejected hard and I got out for break even. So I was feeling a little salty that this fat red candle just destroyed me. So yeah, I jumped in short, which did seem a little promising after this wick, but nope, it got bought up and stopped me out for a small loss. With that, I tried to calm myself down and not crash out, but nope, I just ended up jumping in another short, because why not? This time we did get another push down, so I was gonna chill with my stop loss, but when I saw this green candle pop back up, I noticed that my profits would have barely made up for my earlier loss. So I was like, technically this is my last trade for the day, so let's just see where this goes and move my stop loss back to break even, which yeah, I just got tapped. With that, I hit my 3 trades for the day and was gonna stop, but yeah, I didn't. I think missing that first short opportunity and missing profits on that long earlier just made me kind of annoyed that I was down on the day, that yeah, I forced a short here. In reality, I just wasn't thinking here and purely entered because I was like, ooh, shiny big red candle, we def going back down. But nope, I got stopped out for a fat loss. Right after the price fell back down, so I was already crashing out and not thinking, so I just re-entered because I was like, ain't no way I'm getting top ticked out, which price did drop a little more before bouncing back up hard to stop me out with this fat green candle. With that, ooh, I was raging, but did quickly close the chart to stop myself from doing any more damage to my account. So yeah, end of the day down with a loss of 450, because again, I just lost control. Okay, so for today, I'm for sure only going to take 3 trades no matter what. At the start of the day, I did see we had another fat sell-off, so I was bearish and was looking for price to break these 300s first. Off market open, we did kind of break it, but that did get bought up really quickly. And yeah, I still decided to enter a short because I like to gamble, I guess, and I didn't want to miss the move, which yeah, was wrong hella quickly for a loss. After that, I might have been a little too scared to trade because we were just in a range, so I was waiting for a break in one direction first, which we did get, and now I wanted a little pullback and rejection near like the 270s, but yeah, we didn't get that, and instead just rejected off the moving average line near the 50s. So yeah, I didn't enter because I was scared, and I don't know, I just really wanted price to reject off the 70s first. After missing that short, we did see another fat buy up to the 250s, so the market does seem a lot more bullish now, so maybe we should just keep waiting and not enter a short spontaneously. But yeah, I couldn't wait anymore and just jumped in a short because of this fat red candle, and yeah, that was not part of the plan. So after the candle got slightly bought up a little, I just ran away with a loss. So yeah, I don't know, I just got tired of waiting and missing trades due to fear that I just jumped in with no logic. But after that, I was still bearish with a 5-minute moving average line rejecting price, that I jumped in another short here. While this trade could still be straight wrong, it did meet more of my entry guidelines. It was a little riskier because we haven't broken the support area we just made and might be leaning towards a bullish trend now, but at least it was a lot better than the last trade. So regardless of the outcome, at least I stuck somewhat to my plan and setup, and yeah, it was just wrong for a loss. So with that, I ended the day down yet again with a loss of 420 bucks, which is fair because I did take a couple of stupid trades and am just trading like a mess overall. Alright, so for today, since I've already accepted I'm gonna blow this account soon, I'm just focus on taking the trades and setups I see and try to forget about everything else. And to start off the day, I was still bearish off price staying below the 500s and 600s. So a little bit after market open, I saw a chance for a short to break the lows here off this break and retest of the pre-market lows and a rejection off the moving average. And yeah, it was working out pretty well. So I moved my stop loss to break even and went to the bathroom just to come back and see that I missed my target by like a tick or two. So damn. And then news hit, and yeah, this green candle kicked the shit out of my stop loss for a small loss. After that, I was a little bit salty, but tried to keep calm and stick to my bearish bias. So as price did reject off the highs again, I did see another chance for a short that was a little bit risky. Usually I would have liked more of a pullback and retest instead of catching it on a break of the moving average, but instead I saw this earlier wick as more of a fake out to the upside to confirm my short, which did work out as we just hit my target for a decent profit. And with that, if my first trade had worked out, I probably would have been done for the day. Instead though, I decided to try one more short here, wanting us to break out of the range and head lower. But yeah, I was a little impatient and didn't wait for the candle to close for confirmation, and yeah, when it did, I was like, damn, I lost, and just took the full loss here. With that L, it did bring my green day down to only a win of 180 bucks, so damn, if only that first trade had hit, man. Okay, so today I got fucking cooked. Basically, I was bearish looking for price to stay below the 450s, and off market open, we did drop a little lower, so I was looking for a pullback near the 300s or 320s first, which we got, and with this fat red engulfing candle to reject price off the moving average, I was like, this is the move to break lower. And nope, these 250s held a lot stronger, and price bounced up to stop me out for a loss. But right after, price got slammed down again with another fat red candle, so yeah, I re-entered because I was like, no way I got stopped out right before the actual drop, right? And yeah, this candle just got bought up, and I got stopped out again for another loss. With 2 L's within like 20 minutes of market open, I probably should just take a break and wait to see if we actually snap the 250s first before entering another short. But yeah, I didn't, and instead decided to bet one more time, which was wrong instantly for another L. So yeah, with that, I hit my 3 trade limit hella early today and just closed the charts to walk away with a loss of $475. Alright, so for today, I currently only have like $500 left until I hit my max loss again, so this might be the last day on the account. At the start of the day, I was bearish and was looking for price to crack the 50s, but this level has been where price bounced a bunch, so I wanted to actually wait for the break or not. But instead, off market open, the 50s held pretty strong and price bounced up twice, which convinced me that instead we could just be in more of a range, so I jumped in along here wanting to ride up to the top, and yeah, price just popped up hella quickly, so we did hit my target fairly easily. With that, I was like, if I end here with today's profits, I can have at least another 2 days on the account, and if we were ranging, I tend to get bodied, plus this week I have been getting owned anyways, so putting all these factors together, I decided just to run away with that first win and stop trading today to take home a win of $520 to end this week. Oh, and surprise, surprise, I did manage to get another 50k starter account to give away, so I was planning to give it away when I blew this account as like a symbolic meaning. I am in a good mood today, so if you did manage to watch till now, here's your reward for that. And yeah, enter with that Google form link in the description labeled bet before March 15th, and I'll announce the winner in the next recap. And if you don't want to wait, there is a little promo for new users to get 25% off the starter plus accounts, so if you want to give MyFundedFutures a try, here is your coupon. So, okay, it wasn't how I wanted the week to go, but hey, at least I didn't blow the account. Sure, on Monday, I did go rogue by overtrading after missing a winning setup, and on Tuesday, I did the same thing, but did manage to stick to only 3 trades that day. However, Wednesday, it could have been a fat green day had I just hit my target, which was a few ticks off, and yeah, Thursday just was me gambling because I was impatient and couldn't wait for a break, but hey, at least on Friday, I saved it with that one and done. Sure, I maybe could have gotten more on Friday because I'm still down like $450 on the account, but hey, I just needed to secure a profit to keep my account floating, and even with that win, I'm still only like $1,000 away from blowing my account, so yeah, not in the best of shape, but hey, I did last longer than the funded accounts, so somewhat of an improvement, right? And yes, if this was any other prop firm, I would have probably already blown the account on like Thursday, but since MyFundedFutures has that extra $500 on max drawdown for my account, I'm still alive. Honestly though, probably not getting a payout anytime soon, but hopefully I can just keep building some sort of discipline while slowly grinding the account back up, and maybe a miracle might happen. But that will have to wait a little bit because I don't know, maybe I'm just tired or something, but low-key I'm thinking of taking a small break from this funded account. So next week I'm gonna still day trade, but I am planning on trying something new with less risk on the table to give myself a little breather from the payout grind I've been on. Will it be a demo account, a new strat, or maybe even a different market? Who knows? But I'll see you next week for that.